Hello. Welcome to the Star Hotel. May I help you?
Yes. I'd like a room, please.
Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't.
How many nights?
2 nights, please.
How many people?
For 2, please.
Do you want breakfast?
Yes, please.
Okay. Breakfast is free from 6 to 9 a.m. That will be 12,000 yen. Do you want to pay now, or when you check out?
I'll pay now.
Please fill this in. And sign here.
Yes.
Thank you. Here is your receipt. And your key.
Thank you.